Today on Southern Accent Foods, I've got part 2 of my frozen chicken Alfredo taste test. I'm gonna try the Rayos, and I'll finish up with the Zatarains. Just like last time, I'm looking at 3 categories: the sauce, the noodles, and the chicken. Each category can get up to 5 points for a total of 15 possible points. At the end, I'll include the Stouffer's and the Walmart brand scores from the previous video, and I'll rank all 4 of the dinners in my order of preference. Also remember, this is an exhibition, not a competition. Please, no wagering. Starting with the Rayos. As always, cooked in the microwave according to the package directions. The sauce is way too thin, it's almost watery. Nothing much else to say here. 1 out of 5 for the sauce. I'm going out of order here and doing the chicken before the noodles. The quality is good, there's a good amount of it, and it tastes reasonably enough like actual chicken. 3.5 out of 5. Now for the best part, the noodles. They're these corkscrew thingies. It's a cavatappi noodle. They're as close to perfectly cooked as you can get. They have a great chew and they're very filling. 4 out of 5 for the noodles. The Rayos finishes with 8.5 out of 15. Now for the Zatarains. The sauce is a great thickness, it's spicy with some sort of Cajun seasoning blend, and I love it. This is a 4 out of 5. We've got penne noodles here, and I like that you can really get a fork in them. They are slightly overcooked though, so I'm giving them a 3.5 out of 5. The chicken is decent enough. There almost never seems to be enough for my taste, but it tastes like real chicken and I like the blackening seasoning. The chicken here gets 3.5 out of 5, bringing the Zatarains to a total of 11 out of a possible 15. Let's recap with the scores from all 4 brands that I tried. The Walmart brand finished last overall with just 7 out of a possible 15. The Rayos, with 8.5 out of 15, was slightly edged out by the Stouffer's with 9.5 out of 15. That leaves us with our winner, the Zatarains, with 11 out of 15. I like my stuff aggressively seasoned and a little bit spicy, and the Zatarains is the one for me. Watch the first chicken Alfredo taste test here, and at the end of that one, I've linked to my homemade chicken Alfredo recipe. I'll see you there.